All right, welcome back. It's the next day, and we're gonna finish up the chair seats today. So
they look so good. I snuck one in. I cheated. Like, they're not finished yet, but I brought one in the house and set it on top of one of the chair frames, and it looks so good. I'm excited. They look awesome.
So stick around to the end of the video and you'll get to see the big reveal. Well, the next thing to do is Jenny has some sanding to do. We left some burn marks with the router and some other things. So Jenny is going to show you a super cool, awesome way to fold sandpaper. There's an extra super secret way to fold sandpaper where you can get. Secret. Don't tell anybody. But yeah, she's going to show you how to get the most out of a sheet of sandpaper.
All right, so when you buy sandpaper, you typically get it in one big rectangular sheet, but that's really hard to hold. If you were just to fold it in quarters like this, then you've got sandpaper touching sandpaper, and that's gonna wear it down quite a bit. So what we do is we fold it up in a way that none of the gritty portions of the paper are touching another grit portion of it. So we flip it upside down, and then we take a razor blade and we cut right down the middle, right here. And then you're gonna start with your left side, my left. You're gonna fold it up to the right, and then down. And then you have a nice square, or technically rectangular, piece to hold and sand with. And then when this piece gets all worn down, you switch it out. And then you've got a nice new piece right on top to use. So that's our super secret way to fold sandpaper so that none of the gritty ends are touching each other, and you can switch it up once one piece is dead. Okay, so we got a second coat of finish on our chair seats, and that has dried and cured. So Davis is gonna go grab them and bring them on over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some synthetic steel wool. Okay. And we're gonna buff those out just so they don't have such a shiny finish. We want a nice matte finish because that matches what we did on our kitchen table. Set these bad boys out. This is what the steel wool looks like. We have little rectangular ones, pretty simple to find.
It's just a 3M thing. It's sanding pad.
Nothing fancy.
yeah, these are the final chairs. We think they look great. They match the table perfectly.
Yes.
The whole family seems to like them.
Yeah, I was about to say the most important part. The
Yeah.
whole family likes them.
Except the cat.
Oh, cats don't like much of anything though, so we're not offended.
Thanks so much for joining us through this process. If you watched this far, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. You're going to love some of the stuff that we're coming out with the rest of this spring and summer. So
Absolutely.
follow along with us and yeah, keep up to date. We publish videos every Monday and Wednesday with a vlog on Friday. So this is part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, go ahead and click the link right on top of Bruce and you'll go ahead and watch that video. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe. You're going to like what we have to put out if you enjoyed this video. So yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.